time for Dude's Adventures.
Hi guys, it's Dude here. Just want to let you know how my first week went with my new mom and dad. Check out this video.
Hey. Let's slow that mouth down. No. Look at that. You can't get it, can you?
So we're gonna go take a ride in Daddy's car without the crate and go see Dr. Scotty for your checkup. So let's see how you do in the car without the crate. There, you're sitting down. That's good. Dude, first day at the vet. Let's go check it out. You weigh 49.6 pounds.
That's a puppy.
There you go. You did good at the vet, huh?
Yeah. There we go. Come on, dude.
I'm going to see if you can get him to hop up that part by himself.
Right. Well, you got to get your butt in the car. Come on, move your feet. Hey. All right. Here we go.
First sample of the water. Go get another drink. There you go.
Enough licking.
There you go. Get him.
Hey.
That's Daddy.
Enough teeth, man. Oh.
Whoa. Dude's going to meet his next door neighbor, Roscoe. He comes down on the weekends to the houseboat. Let's see how it goes.
Sit. Sit, Roscoe.
It's all right.
Come here, just be nice. Attaboy.
Yeah.
Wagging the tails.
Yeah.
Tails are wagging. That's a good sign.
Yeah, they're about the exact same size.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's 50
Roscoe.
pounds.
Sit, Roscoe.
Oh, they want to play already.
Yeah.
Whoop. Oh, we got to get the butt sniff. Okay, you a boy, I'm a boy too. How about that? Good plan. He's just got a loud play.
Oh, he's playing I'm Alpha. That's what he's playing.
Dude's got to pee. Dude pees, Roscoe's got to pee. Is that called pissing contest?
Sit. Shake. Yes. Good boy. Sit. Yoo-hoo. Sit. There's nothing there. Sit. Lay down. Yes. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Still learning this one. Roll over. Let's go this way. Your legs are already that way. Roll over. Keep coming. Roll over. Roll over. We help you out. Let me help you out. There you go.
The lazy man rollover.
Bye, me. Bye, me. Yes. Good boy. Gotta get you turned just a little bit more. Let's see, what else does he do now? He goes to the bed waiting for a treat. That's what he does.
That's what he does.
Come. Yes. Oh, let me see if I can get you to play with your ball. So I don't think he really played with balls before because it took quite a while for him to even put this in his mouth. Hey, get the ball. Okay, drop. Drop. Yes. Good boy. All right, ready? Dude, get the ball. All right, bring. Drop. Good boy. He's learning. You're learning. You're a smarty dog. Yes, you are. You're a smarty dog. You're a smarty dog. Yes, you are. Oh. Isn't he cute?
Here he comes. Here he comes. There he goes. Crazy man. Come. Come. Here he comes. Here comes crazy man. There he is. There goes crazy man. Yeah. All right, dude.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you give us a thumbs up, and leave me a comment.